There is divine presence within everyone, ever intent on allowing you to move away from negative wanderings in the world and turn towards God. Compassion will not allow you to have demoniac qualities. If you have developed compassion, demons are not allowed. All these slokas, they provide you with basis for upasana. And upasana is an artistic work. It's not pure mathematics. It's divine art. And that art has to come from your heart. As you are leading yourself to the awakened state, which is liberation, your mind goes on developing a changed attitude to yourself, to the world, and towards your daily experiences. And that takes a progressive move.